Hi and welcome in this new Final Cut Pro tutorial. Today we will see how to fix the plugin red screen error with pFixer. If your Final Cut Pro version is not up to date, you can see this kind of red screen error by using third-party plugins. The app pFixer allow you to convert plugins to older Final Cut Pro version, so you can use them without upgrading the software. We already did a tutorial on this app a few months ago, and many of you liked it. So we listened to your feedback to improve the app and release a new version of pFixer. pFixer is now more intuitive and even smarter. So to be able to use your plugin with your FCPX version, first close Final Cut Pro. Go to our online store, the link is in the description. And click on the pFixer product page. Scroll down to the bottom, and enter a value you want to pay. pFixer is free, but you can donate if you wish. Enter $0 to get it for free. Click on Add to Cart, and Checkout. Then enter your mail address and click on Get. You can now download the app. It's really light, so the download is very fast. Once downloaded, reveal the file in the Finder and unzip it. You can then delete the compressed file. Open the pFixer folder and run the app. Because you have downloaded the app from the internet, you may receive a message like this. In this case, go to your system preferences. Then to Security and Privacy, and click on Open Anyway. The application will now open. To fix your plugins, you have two choices. Select a specific plugin, or fix all of your Final Cut Pro plugins. Keep in mind that the process can take a while, depending on the number of plugins you have. I advise you to manually select the plugin you want to fix. Final Cut Pro plugins, or templates, can be in the form of effects, generators, titles, or transitions form. pFixer works for each of them. You will find your plugin on the related folder. The plugin I'm trying to fix in this video is called FCPX Message Studio. It's available on our store, the link is also in the description. It is in the form of titles, so I will find it in the titles folder. I can now select the plugin folder and click on Choose. After a really short loading, pFixer fixed my plugin to make it compatible with my FCPX version. Awesome, isn't it? And wow! A really cool pop-up asks me if I want to visit the shop. But I will take a look at it later. Because now it's time to open Final Cut Pro and see the magic append. Your plugin is now working. You can use it normally and export your final video without any problem. If you want to restore the original version of your plugin, open the Finder and go to Movies and pFixer Backups. You will find a backup of your original plugin. Copy the folder of the plugin you want to recover. And go to Movies, Motion Templates, and paste it into the appropriate folder. If you are looking for more awesome FCPX plugins, you can take a look on our shop. We work hard to create the best content available on the market, at the lower price possible. We hope that this video helped you, and that you managed to fix your plugin. If this is the case, please leave a like. And if you want to see more content like that, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell. Thanks.